Hi guys, today I will be teaching you how to share your Google Drive link of your quiz to your students. So to do that, first find your Google Drive or your Google file which contains your quiz. And then after that, click send. So after clicking send, lalabas po itong pop-up box po na ito. Makikita po natin dyan, we have three different options. Send via this envelope, which is email. Send via link, which is like a chain button. And then send via HTML. So for now, the easiest way to send is via link. Makikita po natin dyan na meron pong lalabas na link dito na napakahaba. So, ang gagawin po natin, dahil napakahaba niyan, ang magiging problema niyan, ang bata, kung hindi natin ibibigay yung link online, ang pangalawang option niya is i-copy niya isa-isa yung mga letters, which would be very prone to error kasi nga napakahaba ng link. So, what we could do is to shorten URL. So, to shorten the URL, makikita natin umikli yung URL na kanina nating nakita. So, simply click copy and you can directly send that to your students. However, this link still has a lot of letters in it. Tama po, meron siyang small letters, big letters, and numbers na nakakalito pa rin. So ano ba yung pwede nating gawin para mas maging maganda or mas maging maikli yung ating link? We can go to two different websites which could help us shorten the link. So what are these websites? What's the first website? That's bit.ly.com. This website shortens URL. If you scroll down, you will find here a box where you can shorten the link. Ika-copy lang natin. We copy this link and then we paste it here in the box and then click shorten. So yan, mas umikli yung ating link compared to the link a while ago. Okay, so if we try to check that using a different browser, click enter, you will be redirected to the quiz that I was talking about a while ago. Pero dahil nga I used a different browser, hindi naka-open dito yung aking Google account, makikita po natin dito na sinabihan niya ako na mag-sign in. Anyway, the purpose is just to show you na kahit umikli po yung link natin ay parehas pa rin po yung quiz or yung file na gusto nating isend sa ating students. So another website where you can shorten the URL is called tinyurl.com. Okay? So dito, pwede nating i-custom yung alias. Ibig sabihin, pwede tayo mag-isip ng short phrase or word that would describe our link. So halimbawa, nakalagay rito example. Ito pong Amazon na to. Ang tiny URL niya, pinalitan niya ng Kindle Wireless yung dulo ng link. So for us, for example, we copy this again and then I go to tinyurl.com. I paste it here and then I will think of a custom alias. So the custom alias should be a unique alias. This is case sensitive. So kapag nagamit na siya dati ng ibang tao or nagamit mo, hindi na siya pwedeng gamitin ulit. So halimbawa, dahil quiz siya ng earthquakes, I could make it earthquake Q1. Then I'll try to make the tiny URL. So there, nakagawa na siya agad ng tiny URL and then Once we have already obtained our tiny URL or created our tiny URL, we can copy that to another browser for the sake of showing it, and then click enter. We copy it to the browser and click enter, and then there, makita po natin na pinakita rin niya yung quiz na sinishare natin. O bakit nga po ba natin ginagawa ito ulit? Kasi yung URL na gine-generate po ni Google Form ay sobrang haba, at kapag kinopya lang po siya ng estudyante, ang magiging pwedeng senaryo po niyan ay meron siyang makaligtaan na letter. Or kung hindi man makaligtaan, dapat ang letter ay small, naging capital. Kung gusto po natin na i-share yung quiz, napakadali na lang po. We have different options. So, ayun po. Kung may natutunan po kayo, sana po ay i-like nyo po ang aking video. And if meron naman po kayong katanungan, don't hesitate to write it in the comments box below. Kung kayo naman po ay bago po sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe para po kayo ay ma-update kapag meron po akong mga bagong mga videos na tiyak pong makakatulong po sa inyo. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa panonood.